Good day, divergence traders. How we doing today? I just jumped out of the trade there about less than a minute ago. And now it's time to do the video because I'm done trading for the day. Yes, indeed. I just jumped out about right just before it did its last little spike here. I jumped out right here. Yeah. So let's show you the setups, eh? How's it going, eh? How's it going today? Oh, there it goes to break the wick. That's what I was wanting. Yeah. That's what I was wanting from down here. I got in down here. Actually, right there I got in. Because I went to get the pullback, the dip, the lower close, and it just jumped back up again, and I couldn't get the price. Yeah, price is jumpy. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, before we start, can you see this up here? It's a 2-minute. We're on the 2-minute ninja chart, and let's take a look at the setups. Yes, indeed. Then it goes all the way back from here, but we can draw it from here. Yeah, we can draw it from here. And right up into here. Let me show you. Yeah, I don't really have to fix it. It's good enough. But I'll fix it anyway. There it is. See the divergence? This way. This one's going down. This one's going up. And that's what we want. So I jumped in the trade. Yeah, as soon as it breaks it, now they're selling it back down, the bastards. So anyway, right in here, would have got long. And up she went, and I was in the trade from right there, and I was still in it when it hit this top wick here, and I was in it when it was using the 700 as a fucking rocket launching pad, and that's what it did. It went boom, boom. So I thought, okay, it's still withholding this. It's gonna fucking go, right? It's gonna go to the top of this wick. That's where I wanted it to go. Did it go there? Fuck no. Fuck no. They fucking slammed it down and picked up all the sellers. Trapped all the sellers down here. That's what they did. So I clicked out of the trade. I don't know, somewhere in here I got my... Oh boy, here we go again. Mucus time. Fuck. Okay. Anyway, I got out here. And then I go, oh, there's divergence here again, isn't there? So I drew it from the body to the body. Okay. Actually, probably to the next body. To the next one. And then right here, see the big deep valley? Yeah, right up to here. We'll put it on top of the orange doodah. Right there, see? One's going up, one's going down. That is hard to see hidden divergence. That's what that is. And the trade was right in here. It was a little skittish in here. But you would have got in right here. What the hell's going on here? There we go. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm back. I had to stand up and hack them up, hack them out. Because I was sitting down and you can't, I don't know how to explain it. You got to stand up to hack those fuckers out. Holy shit. And they still didn't really come out. There's still some more yet. So excuse my mucus hack up here. Holy fuck. Okay, let's get back to this now. So I did this trade and I got out winner. I was hoping for it to go to the top of the wicks here. Didn't fucking do it. Then they slammed it down to get more sellers so they could take it way the fuck up here. You ever notice that? That they always take the people down. They get them fucking selling. The people who are selling, they call us retail traders. No, I think what they should call us is when we see an opportunity, we take a chance and fucking trade it. I actually did jump in the trade here on the downside just because of the way it was moving, the momentum. And I had something like 35 points, or I had something good. I got in here, I was still in it, and then it just fucking bounced back up, and I had to close the trade with like 2 ticks or some fucking shit. I go, you fucking bastards. You know? If I only would have thought quicker, this is the problem. Your eyes see it, and your eyes need instruction from your fucking slow brain, okay? And by the time you think about doing it, it's done. It's over. It's gone bye-bye. Serenata. You know what I mean? So anyway, so I knew that the next setup, which was right here, I knew I had much more chance with it because I know the fact of how they falsely take it down to get you to sell so they can take it way the fuck up here and fuck you. That's what they do. The hedge funds or the institutions, whoever's doing this, there's somebody doing it. You know, they got the power to do it. They got the money to fucking drag it down and then, you know, and then take it way the fuck up. They have the money to do that. So anyway, that's what they did here today. So I got in here and up it went. And here's the divergence right here. Oh, this shouldn't be here. I was drawing that from here to here thinking it was going to go down. But our 5 did not cross below the 7, so there was no entry to take it down. I was getting ready to sell here, even though it was counter trend, but I didn't. And I tried a high risk trade here. I actually bought right here because I already got out of this one from over here, right? I already got out of it up here. So anyway, and it worked out. I got in right here. And I don't usually trade like that, but I had the feeling that they took it down here with these big candles for a reason, and that is to take it way up here. So when I bought right in here, I knew it was fucking going up here. I had like a 90% believable chance of probability. Oh fuck, I can't talk today. I'm sorry. I had like a 90% probability of success. But what my mistake was is I should have held on to it, because look where the fuck it is now. I'd be really good right now. How much would I be making now? If I got in right at the tip of this wick, 97 fucking ticks, man. That's what I woulda, coulda, shoulda, but didn't because I jumped out because I fucking... Like yesterday. Remember yesterday how it dragged its fucking sorry, shitty ass all the way up the hill? It's probably going to do that again today. You know, and go to new highs again. Go to fucking 18,900 or 850. That's where it's probably going today. You know? But everybody can guess like that. Doesn't mean it's going to do it. So this is why I jumped out right here. I got in right here, jumped out here with just a little scalp. When you see the money, if you don't take it, the market will. Okay? Not always the case, but you see how beautifully my 5 above the 7 tells me? It already gives me 50% of the answer. Saying, don't fucking sell it. Don't sell it. Only look for a buy. That's why I bought right there. I didn't sell it. I bought it. Because the 5 was above the 7. And you have to have trust in your system. And if you stared at your system like me for like 13 fucking years, you'd have some, you know, trust in your own guessing games and taking a chance at times, right? So that's another reason why I bought it here, because you know, we're in an uptrend. They trapped all the sellers down here, you know, and it only makes sense to buy it because it's probably going to push higher. And look at it, just keeps fucking going. Always does. Every time I get out of a trade, it fucking keeps going. When I got into this trade here, I really like. I was in good. I was in really good, and I thought for sure we were going to go up here, but no, and break the wick. No, we didn't do that. As you can see, we didn't fucking do that. Trading is not just trading a system. Trading is about a lot of things that you gotta learn from past experience. You know, you gotta look at charts, thousands of charts, and you'll get other intuitions and probabilities that you don't even trade my two famous setups, which are three setups: a hook down, a hook up. That's one setup. You know, the divergence. There's like 6 different divergences, okay, of classes and stuff. Yeah, you gotta have this intuition in your head, otherwise you're gonna get in trouble. And along the way too, you're gonna have a few losses, and as long as your winners are greater than your losses, then you've won for the day. So that's the main thing about trading, is living to trade another day. Gotta get some water. And that's what we were doing. So anyway, there's the 2 trades I done today. No, I did 3. I sold here. And I didn't take it, and it just bounced right fucking back up, and I got 2 ticks out of it. I got shit out of it. I have to pay commissions. I pay a really good rate. Actually, I don't even pay for commissions. I pay for clearing fees at AMP Global Trading. That's where I trade. Okay. I do not trade off a simulation account from the prop firms. Sorry to say. That's a whole different animal in itself. In the way that the market moves and whatever. Sometimes it's delayed, sometimes it's not. They slip you, they do this, they do that. They change the rules. I heard they changed the rules yesterday. So yeah, like, this is what they do. They have to do something to stop paying out to you, you know? I'm not saying they don't pay out. I know they pay out, okay? I know they pay out. I'm saying they have all their little tricks along the way to do what they do. And they do it well. Anyway, I don't have those restrictions, like, you know. I think they have one where if you're in the trade and it keeps going with the news spike, they don't allow that or something. Like, come on. The fucking market moved. Let's face the facts. The market moved. You're on side, meaning you're on the right fucking side. Why should you not be able to keep your trade going? Come off it. And the reason is they don't want you to make profits so you can fucking do a payout one day. That's what it all boils down to. All the delays they take to, you know, it's just crazy. Like, the delay, oh, you need to trade 10 days. Oh, you need to do that. Oh, you need to wipe your ass. You know what I mean? That's what they're all about. Me, I find it difficult just to trade like this with no fucking rules. You know? It's difficult. It's very emotional on your mind. So there's no way I'm going to add that bunch of stress to it on top of it. You know? You're trying to make fucking whatever amount of profit before you even, and then you got to do it again and 2 times, and then you can you know, hopefully make some demo money again so you can get into the payout kind of structure as they have it. You know, it's God, all you people who trade these prop firms, you must realize this. Come on. Go fucking trade at a real broker. I ain't a fucking IB for no broker. No, I'm not. I'm just saying, go trade at a real broker, wherever it is. I don't know where it is. I just told you where I trade, and that's at AMP. So, enough about that. We got to get on now with the show. Okay? That's this one. One sec. Okay, I'm back. Just changed charts to the MetaTrader 4. There was actually a trade here for the news, but I don't know. Should I show it? I won't trade the news, man. It's just, or the open. I wait at least. I tried to not trade in the first 5 minutes, and you know, maybe 15 minutes after the open, but it can be deadly. They haven't really been doing anything crazy on the opens in the last week and a half or so now, which is good. It gives us a chance to make some money. Okay, so let me show ya. So the trade was from right here, higher highs, see? And then from here down to these little doodads. You can't see them until I bring the chart way up here, okay? Now, you see there it is. That's the divergence. So this one's going down, and let me pull the chart back so you can see the other one. See? There, let me put it in the middle. This one's going down, this one's going up. You would have got short right on the opening of this candle, okay? And your entry point to your swing high is 26 points on the NASDAQ, okay? You definitely got your 26 points, okay? You got 36 to the bottom. And along the way, what did we have? We had higher close, sell it, down it goes. And I was right there at that time to see that trade, and I was thinking of doing it, and I said, because I don't like to trade before it opens, because sometimes it does funky things. See all these things I've learned, and they're burned and fucking branded right on my fucking skull. Okay? I don't forget it. And that's how you become a good trader, is remembering all these fucking scenarios, when to trade, when not to trade. Never trade any open. Never leave a trade open overnight. Never ever leave a trade open over the weekend. Especially these days. You don't know what's going to happen with this war shit. And, oh, God, you know, politics. Anyway, that's what I say. So there's one there, and here's a second one. Higher close, sell it, and down it goes. And I wouldn't do any more down here, only the first or the second. The first is the most powerful because it's the one closest to the price of a trend change. See how the trend, you know, it was going up here, and it came back down, and it changed trend. And that's why you do the trade here, because it's very close to the turn. When I say, you know, you need to sell near the top, not at the top, and you need to buy near the bottom, not at the bottom. See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? So anyway, right here, double bottom, equal lows, however you want to call it. And the divergence is right here. See? And you would have got in right in here. And up it went. It's actually right in here. You need to have, well, it actually already did cross, but yeah, you need to get in like right here, because you want the moving averages crossed, the 5 crossed up over the 7 and pointing up. See how if we were to like block this part of the screen, you know, you would see that these, on the close of this candle right here, both the 5 and the 7 were pointing up to Jesus, saying, it's okay. Jesus was saying, it's okay. You can buy now. God bless you. Yes. Okay. We had another lower close, buy it, and up it goes. Straight up there, man. Straight up there. It's a beautiful thing. See how we didn't do it over here? We didn't buy here because it was too far from the 5, the close of the candle. But you see how it came down another candle and it closed where? Right on the 5. And when it does that, it says, Johnny 5, you're alive. You know that movie from the 80s, Johnny 5? The robot. Yes. Anyway. It was a good trade all the way up. Now she's retracing. Quick and hard. Here she comes. Where she'll stop. Okay, I'm trying to be a rhyming comedian or something. I don't know. Let's move on now. I wouldn't be surprised this next chart, the S and the P will look almost identical to this. Yeah, see? I was right. I was right. Now you can see it much easier. See, we have a high and a higher high right there. And a boom right there like that. And we would have sold right in here somewhere, come back, or on the opening of this candle. And then it's actually there. On the opening of that candle, you would have sold it. And then they did a little buy fake here, and it closed above the 2 moving averages. And all that you needed to do was wait for it to come back down, which it did here. And then on the opening of this, oh, look at them. Oh, look at them trash it. I'm so glad I'm not trading right now. They're fucking people now. You bastards. Bastards. Look, it's still going. Look. There's no fucking news right now. It's 13 minutes after 11, for fuck's sakes. And there's no divergence here to sell it. No, there's just... They have all the longs stuck up here, dreaming, hoping and dreaming it's going to do the same thing like yesterday. But now it's not. Look. They keep taking it down as quick as they can. Fuckers, eh? God damn. Okay, so let's continue. So we have a low and a lower low. Okay, this is like it's the opposite for a buy trade off the news spike, right? Wick. It's the opposite of this one. See this one? This one selling, going down. See the wick's up here. Now on this one, okay, the wick's down here. See? But it's still divergent, ladies and gentlemen. It definitely is. Okay? Right there. And you would have got in. Yeah, this is kind of a tricky one. You would have to get in right here on the opening of this one. Right here. And up it went. All the way up here. Look at that. Look at that shit. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Blah, blah, blah. This is fucking killing people. Yeah. They decided to take profits. So anyway, here's the trade to buy it up. That is bullish, regular bullish divergence. I call it easy to see divergence. We have lower lows, and on the indicator, it's pointing up, meaning we're going to go up. And that's what it did. Beautiful thing. And we have those, you know, one of these here. Lower close, buy it, and up it goes. Okay. Yeah, it's all good. Now let's look at the Dow. Dow must be really crazy today. Ooh, look at it just fucking tank, dude. You see this right down here, ladies and gentlemen? You see that? That's divergence, man. That's double bottom. And from right here up to here, and you would have got long right in here. To the top, it went up 142 points. And we had a lower close. And up it goes right here. And it was good. So let's look at the pound now. What did it do? Well, it was ever shitty movement in the UK session. Not good. Not good. Right here, the first trade was right here. It was hidden. Hard to see divergence. Okay. Right there. And it would have got you short on the opening of this candle that came right back up and would have scared the shit out of you. If you sold it right here, so you might not want to sell it here because it was right at support here. But you see, they took it back up and scared the pants off you, right? Right here. But it never came back up to here because this is where your stop would be. It's always at the swing high. The closest swing high or swing low. This is the swing low right here. This is the swing high right here. Okay? So if you would have got in short, let's say right there, your stop would have been 16 pips. It's the pound. Oh, didn't even get 16 pips from it. You only got about 5 or 6 pips. But it's the pound dollar, right? What more do you want from them? Okay. So we have lower lows. And we got to tweak it a little bit. There, see? Sometimes you got to tweak it. Oh, that's fun to tweak it. People are going, that's not right. That's not right. He's cheating. He's cheating. Shoot him. Shoot him. He's cheating. No, I'm just a tweaking. I see other things that tells me to get in the trade. It went up 18 pips here. And the other things are the low, the lower low, and then the lower low again. That means they're stop hunting down here. When price closed right up here, nice bullish candle all above these last 4 candles. Okay, the 5 was above the 7. You have a nice big bullish bar candle closing up here. It told me. Even if it wasn't divergence, it told me. This all told me what the fuck is going on. And it was going to go up. And it did go up. 18 pips. All right. Let's move on. Euro. Yeah, pretty much the same thing. Okay. This one's a little bit longer. Now you're probably going, oh, he's drawing it too far now, too far, too many mountains and valleys. No, watch. Watch carefully. See this little red doodah? Right here? That means this mountain is the continuation from this one. It's the same one. So you can draw it from there to there. It's okay. And you would have got long right in there. It went up 10 pips. That's a euro. Pound yen, what did it do? Oh. Ugliness is what it did. So if we draw it from here to here, low and lower low, from here up to here, one's going up, one's going down. And you would have bought right in there. Even though it just rallied up 35 points. And there it goes. It went up 55, 56 pips to the top on the pound yen. Okay. with your stop at the swing low. So when you bought up here, did price come back and get your stop right here at the swing low? It sure didn't. That is worth a goddamn gazillion dollars in gold to traders. Just to have something that creates these swing lows and swing highs. Okay, someone in British Columbia. Fuck. Do I know anybody in British Columbia? Well, I kind of do, but I don't. I went there a long time ago. It was 1980, 82. I went to Vancouver in 1982. Yeah, so I've been there. Okay. Anyway, I don't know who the fuck that is, but they called me up and didn't say hello and hung up on me. Bastards. That's not nice. Okay, let's get on with this. I'm running out of water here. Okay. Anyway, you had a good trade. It went up. I wouldn't attempt this. But you can, like draw a line on it, higher highs. Take it from here down to here. Now, when are you going to get a good one that's going to take it down if it was to work? Because look, they took it down here, it was a sell fake. Then they took it down again, it was a sell fake. And they took it down again, it was a sell fake. See, it's just, you see this shit, you just go, nah, leave it alone. I already made all my money right here. Right here, man. Okay. Euro yen? Yeah, same kind of trade, see? Pound yen, euro yen, fucking doing the same fucking shit. So you would have bought in there and it went up, yeah, like 50 pips on the euro yen. Okay, let's look at oil today. Yeah, it went back up to $80 a barrel and now it came back down again. Bastards. Hey? Yes, we all want oil to go down. But if you're a trader, you might not want it to go down. You might want it to go up. I don't know. I can afford the fucking gas price out there, but it's nasty. It's awful for a lot of people these days within this bullshit inflation, politics. They have a difficult time, and I feel sorry for them. They have a difficult time buying food and gas, and we've never had that problem before. Something's up. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. Okay, so this is oil. Did we have any divergence on it? No, not here. There's no divergence here to buy it up. The only thing we have is a lower close. Buy it. Up it goes. All the way up to the top. Right there. Zero drawdown and it went up 128 ticks. $1.28 higher. Then we had gold. Are you here, Fook? Oh, there's some nice trades, Fook, right here. Right here. Look at that. Oh, beautiful, Fook. Beautiful. Right there. And we had lower lows down here. Okay, would have got in somewhere in there. And we would have got in right on the opening of this candle here. Went up 65 ticks so far. And that's it. That's the end of the show. Holy jeez Louise. Had some nice divergence trades today, ladies and gents. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I forgot to mark this. I'm sorry. Right there. There it is. It's pointing down, meaning the price is going to go down. And, oh, I forgot to draw this one too. Jesus, Jason. Right there. Now, lower lows and this pointing up, meaning the price is going to go up. Pretty cool, eh? The direction of these lines on the OSMA predicted the future price direction and movement, if you understand how to use it in your favor. Yes, so good, so good. I hope all of you learned it. I've already explained it a million times. It works on the higher highs and the lower lows, or the double tops and the double bottoms, but it does not work on hidden divergence. Okay? Hard to see divergence. Hidden. If this was a hidden divergence trade setup, it would not show you which direction on the OSMA, which way it's going to go. Okay? Let's take a look now at Bitcoin. Oh, she stayed up there, eh? Wow, cool. Well, my friend from up north here in Canada, he's got some Bitcoin. He must be happy at this movement back up. And XRP has probably gone down. Oh, it gone up a little bit. Look, look, look. Oh, that's a good XRP. 52 cents, basically. Cool. And what about Ethereum? Oh, it's trying, it's struggling, but that's on the weekly. Oh, so is the rest, right? Daily. No, it's on the daily. Let's see the daily. Oh, kind of ugly. Well, it went up too, though. This is good. All right. Okay, they didn't take it down any further. They slapped it down here. Now they're going to probably buy it up again to new highs. We're going to break the fucking... Oh, I can't go by that price. That's the wrong price. Yeah, right now, real price is... Fuck. Where's my fucking chart? Right here. 18,740 is the real price. Right here, ladies and gentlemen. Right here. But yeah. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving any financial advice. But look at this. Right here. And right now. Ha ha ha. Huh? Yeah. Cool, huh? Anyway, I want to say thank you so much for coming out and watching the show and taking the time in your busy life to watch and hear me go on and on about trading. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And if you haven't hit the like button, somebody will like it. I think YouTube will like it. I don't know. It doesn't seem to make any difference to me, but everybody appreciates that they like you, right? Everybody wants to be liked. That's right. Okay. If you're going to trade this afternoon, trade safe. Be safe. Good luck and good trading.